Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Helen. If you're new to this channel, I like to post what I do, which is makeup, natural hairstyles, DIYs, as well as fashion. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. So for today's video, I am going to be doing an updated everyday natural makeup look. And this is mostly because I do have a slightly more drier skin. I used to have like really oily, acne prone skin before, but with my new skincare regimen that's changed quite a bit. So I figured I would get some new products that kind of correspond with my skin type now, and I will be trying some of them out today and just doing this whole look for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my weekly videos. Let's get on to it. So to prep my face, I am using the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist in rose water and green tea. And then I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Using a flat brush, I'm applying it to my more oilier areas. And yes, I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. And for today's eyeshadow look, I am using the Natasha Denona bronze palette. And the first color I'm using is the color Sundown, and I'm applying it above my actual crease. And then going in with the color Suntan, I'm applying it on my actual crease. Then afterwards, I'm going in with the color Magma, and I'm using a smaller, fluffier brush to pack it on my eyelid, and then going back in with the previous brush I used that had the color Suntan on there. I'm just going to blend it out. And for today's foundation, I am using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. Say that 5 times. So I just recently purchased this foundation and I actually really like it. I thought it wouldn't dry as quick as it did when I would apply it on, but it does. I mean, I don't mind it at all. It's very easy to blend out. It feels really light on my face. My skin has definitely improved quite a lot with the new skincare regimen that I have. So this foundation really suits it well. To highlight my face, I am using the Juvia's Place Concealer in the color 13, and I'm just applying some to underneath my eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow, and my forehead. With my new updated routine, I don't put concealer on my nose anymore. I know, crazy, right? But I just find that when I put concealer on my nose, it makes it look really muddy and messy. And since I've been doing this now where I don't put concealer on my nose, I just like the overall look of things. So that's what I've been doing and I really like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. The secret to flawless makeup application is really blending. Like, let your arms get tired from blending, because that is how your makeup will look flawless on your face. And I'm just going back in with my foundation brush, and I'm just kind of blending in the areas where my concealer was applied with the areas where my foundation was applied, and just kind of seamlessly getting those two together. So I'm going in with this Real Technique Beauty Sponge, and I'm using a little bit of Laura Mercier setting powder and just pressing it into my under eyes. So I have under eye wrinkles and they tend to crease in that area often, but when I use the beauty sponge with powder on it, it doesn't crease as quickly. So that's a little technique I like to use. And then I'm going in with the small fluffy brush with the same Laura Mercier powder, and then I'm just patting it into my forehead, my chin, and my cupid's bow. So to bring a little bit of definition and bronze to my face, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze Palette. And look how big this palette is. Like, this could literally last me a year, but probably not, because I go in with a bronzer, so it might last me a lot less. And then I'm just using my MAC pressed powder and I am blending everything together. So I really like for my makeup to look like one skin tone. I mean, I like my under eyes to be slightly brighter just because with my natural face, I have dark circles, so they're not naturally bright underneath my eyes. So I just like for them to look a little brighter when I put makeup on, and that's okay. So to add a little bit of glow to my face, I am using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Cheeky Bronze. This is a new product that I've added to my collection and I really like it because it just gives you that slight glow. It doesn't overdo it. For my lips, I am using the Morphe lip liner. I don't know what the name of this color is, but it's one of my favorite lip liners to use. And I'm actually doing the most with this right now. I am slightly drawing over my natural lip line just because I really like a good pouty lip, especially if I'm doing a glossy look. And for the center of my lip, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Bella. And to finish everything off, I am using my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I believe it's a 24-hour setting spray. I really like it. It brings everything together and it makes my makeup last all day long. And that is the complete look. I've put on my wig and I'm a whole new person. So that is the entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.